Hello guys, Victor Elera here. Welcome to Elera Talks. If you're new here in this channel, we test platforms, especially fintech platforms, and now delving into gadgets also. Right, so this is the Matepad, the Huawei Matepad 11.5 inch 2025 edition, and I just a struggle getting it, most especially because of the logistics, because I had to buy it from Mexico and ship it down to Nigeria, right? And I specifically wanted to buy it from Mexico. I got an option to buy it from UK, but I'll tell you the specific reason why though. So it came with a gift. It came with a router, right, which I think is cool. Actually, there are other things to be won, but that's what I won. I was hoping for something else, and I got the tablet specifically to make art and illustrations. I am a brand designer, graphic designer, and illustrator, so I needed something I could use on the go. And I also loved this because it came with this keyboard. It's in Spanish, which I absolutely loved because I want to be able to type in Spanish and in English. There's the enya later in Spanish. I'm gonna put it up here in the screen. And this is me testing the keyboard. Ah, yeah, that's later. I love it. I love it. I don't know. I just don't like typing on screen, so even to chat, right? So most times I use my laptop, and now I have something I could use on the go. My laptop is super heavy. It's a MSI Katana, so it's heavy, heavy, heavy. I can't carry it around, even in the bag. But I do because I have to, but right now I no longer have to because I have this tablet, which is for me like an extension of my laptop. So it's just for creating art, illustration, consuming content, reading, and basically presenting, right? I need to present something. I'm in the meeting because I think this year I'm going to be in a lot of physical meetings. So I need something on the go, a bigger screen. I can just show my clients or collaborators, oh, this is what we are working on. This is the idea I have. Like real-time ideation. That's the main reason. And let's go straight to the tablet itself. Excited for this. Actually, I was never going to pick the violet color. But what happened was the night I was making the order, because I had to order it to my friend's address in Mexico, and she took the items with some other things I got and sent them to Nigeria. That night I was, well, actually in a hurry. So I just wanted to. Actually, I was targeting for it to arrive before an event I was hosting, organizing here in Abuja, but it came later. It came at a later date, so I think that's why I was in a hurry, just to get things set so they can come pick up and deliver. And I mistakenly opted for the violet color, which at the point I discovered it was already too late. And I texted the contact team in Mexico, and they said, "Oh no, they can only um, cancel the order after like 2 weeks. I mean, like it takes 2 weeks for them to cancel the order. That's just it." Yeah. So this came with a wipe, microfiber polishing cloth. So, and the screen of the tablet is paper matte. It's a Huawei technology. I forgot to mention that. So it's matte, for it's beyond matte. So comfortable on the eyes. Honestly, I've been using it for, it's not up to 2 weeks right now, but I mean I've been using it for day to day usage. It holds up really strong. 10 over 10,000 milliampere battery. It's good. Yeah, it works for the reason I got it. And yeah, aside from the color, in fact the color is not a regret for me. I just have to, because I don't like the white keyboard, so maybe I'm going to have someone, I'm going to look for a way to get the black keyboard and case, because I don't like the white keyboard. Now it's going to get dirty really easily, and you can easily see all the stains. But if I have the black case, I'm not going to bother a lot about the violet color of the tablet. I mean, so yeah. Yeah, that's it for the Huawei Matepad 11.5. After a couple, I think maybe after 1 week, 2 weeks of usage, I'm going to come back with a more detailed review of how my experience. I mean, I can give you a detailed review already because, like I said, I've been using it on a day-to-day basis, and yeah. So this is the Huawei M Pencil, which came free. The unit cost is about $100, but I got it free with the tablet. Same as the keyboard, it came free with the tablet. And so basically, I did not have to buy additional accessories. And yeah, I'm really excited for that. I mean, I was looking for ways to save money. Not save money by getting bad products, but getting better value, right? That's like one of the reasons why I got it in Mexico. Because in the UK, you have to buy these as add-ons, and it's a bit more expensive in the UK, a bit, not so much. And the shipping costs were, or the Mexico is farther, but the shipping costs were, I think, almost identical. And yeah, I've been enjoying this pencil for you. I used it on an artwork yesterday. I'm just gonna put it up on the screen, and a bunch of other things I've been doing. So yeah, thank you for watching.